Hello, mate. Hello.
Hello, mate.
Hello.
What the fuck?
What the fuck? Hello?
It's got to be someone's pet. He couldn't talk. He wouldn't be talking.
Where's he come from? Hello.
Hello, mate.
Hello.
Is he going to fucking attack me?
I don't know. He's cool. Hello.
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 Whoa, this bird is freaking me out, bro.
Rory, what the fuck? Where's he come from?
Bro, I swear I'm a weird guy, bro. When I'm around, weird shit happens, bro.
Mate, this doesn't happen. Hello.
That is a full-scale parrot. Send me this video, bro.
What's your name?
Should we get you some food? He ain't going to answer your question.
You might do. They're pretty intelligent. What's your name? Hello.
Bro, I'm freaking out.
He's got a thing on his
He's someone's pet.
on his foot.
That's where he can talk.
Oh, he's just in a poo. Hello.
Hello, mate.
You're beautiful. Wow.
He likes me, bro.
Hello. Where have you come from?
Hello, mate.
Hello. Whoa.
Well, he's pretty friendly.
Hello, mate.
I'm
Hello,
freaking
mate.
Serious. Don't
Hello.
come near me, Parrot, or you'll
Hello.
punch you.
Hello. Hello. Rory.
Don't make any sudden movements, bro.
Rory.
Bro, I will punch this bird if
Am
he
I-
comes near me, man.
Am I tripping right now?
No, bro, this is actually happening. This is actually
Mate.
happening.
Mate,
Bro,
this...
is this really happening?
Hello.
Hello, mate.
Hello.
I don't want to talk to him because he's going to come to me. That's someone's pet, bro.
It is. Come here.
You're pretty brave, Rich. You're handling this really well.
Hello.
You're really handling this well. His feathers are going up, though, like. I don't know what that means.
I don't know how that's going to take off without whacking me in the face.
No, you're going to get fucking licked, mate. His feathers are going up.
What's he doing, Rory?
I don't know, bro, but his feathers
Rory,
are going up.
Rory, what does he eat?
His feathers are going up.
Can you just... Have you got your phone? Can you Google...
No, bro, I'm not moving, bro.
Mate, can you
I don't
Google...
wanna move.
Can you,
No, I'm
can you
scared of
Google...
it. No, his feathers have gone down now.
Can you Google what parrots eat?
Bro, I'm not getting up, mate. I'm not making any sudden moves.
Just land on my hand.
That thing's going to peck your eye out.
He's not. He's cool. He's not. He's
Peck
he's,
your eye
he's
out.
not. No, he's cool. He's cool. You're cool, right? You're cool, yeah?
Please be nice, Mr. Parrot.
What are you doing?
Mate, this bird is
What's
fucking
your
freaking
name?
out.
What's your name? Hello. Hi. Hi.
How are you handling this so well, Rich? I'll be going fucking a bit mental right now.
You think he'd be really heavy, right?
No.
He's really not. He's actually like really light.
You fucking shitting me, bro.
What is he doing? Just tell me what he's doing.
But he's alright, his feathers ain't up now, so I don't think he's startled or nothing. He likes you, though.
He loves me.
There's a parrot on your shoulder, Rich.
So apparently I'm a pirate.
R.M.E.T. Captain Culture. Oh, you got this all on
Rory,
video, right?
Rory,
Is this all a video?
I hope it's recorded. I really don't know. Rory,
Alright, go
Rory,
away.
what the fuck do I do?
Mate, there's a
Where's he from?
I don't know.
Who
bro.
is it?
You've got someone's parrot on your shoulder.
Like, who is
And
it?
he talks.
He talks.
Hello, mate.
Hello.
Bro, he's looking at me. I'm sure he's looking at me. Them freaky eyes, mate. So,
What does he eat?
huh?
What does he eat?
Flesh.
No, don't say that. He's not a flesh-eating
Human
parrot.
flesh.
I mean, he came from down there,
Oh,
didn't he?
my neck's gone all stiff, mate. I'm terrified. If he starts flapping, I'm gonna fucking guess.
I mean, obviously he's used to being around humans because he does this.
Yeah, he's just
I've never seen him before.
Should we keep him? Can we keep him?
I actually I like him.
Bring him in. Bring him in the house.
He's pretty cool. He's pretty.
We got a parrot.
He's pretty cool, but
Dana, guess what we got?
he's pretty.
Dana, you never guess what we got today.
He's gonna go.
He's seen something down there.
Where does he live?
Mate, the owner's
mean-
watching us laughing his head off, isn't he?
I mean,
Is the owner
I wish the owner would turn up and actually like
I'm
claim his
slightly
parrot.
I'm terrified of this thing, mate.
I mean, I've always seen myself as a pirate,
he's
right?
friendly, isn't he? He's not.
But
You're not. You.
what is he doing? He's doing something.
He's licking
I
his
cannot.
lips.
You know what? I can't. Hey, what are you doing?
Well,
What are we doing?
What's he gripping your shoulder tight?
Yeah. He is.
Stand up.
No, I don't want to piss. I don't want to piss him. I don't want to piss him off. What's your name? What's your name?
I don't think you pissed him off, man. I think you're
You're
right.
you're a really cool dude. I like you. Can we be friends?
Stand up, Rich.
You're awesome.
Stand up.
What's your name?
Captain Tulsa, stand up.
What's your name? Captain Tosh.
Oh, you fucking kidding me?
I am full blown pirate right now.
Bro, this.
Okay.
Bro, I hope this is recording.
I hope so too. Can you?
No, I'm not coming with
Okay.
you. Sorry, mate. Right?
Does he scare you? Yeah. I hope it is. I think it is. Hang on. Yeah, we are recording. This is awesome. Check out the parrot.
Richard's got a new parrot.
I like his colours too. He's like, if I'm going to choose a parrot, I would choose those colours.
Hey, Richard.
Hey.
Nice parrot.
Thanks, Rory. Bye. This is hilarious. Where did he come from? I just saw this thing flying at me,
Parrot town.
and then I shit myself because we've just been talking about wedge-tailed eagles, and then I'm like, that's an eagle because I just all I saw
I
was
thought eagle. What did?
all I saw was his wingspan.
He's a parrot. He's looking at me. Stop looking at me, man.
Rory, he just burped on me. He actually just burped on me.
Well,
I'm not tripping right now, am I?
No.
I know we've had like.
How many of these? What's
we've
these
had
Heinekens?
we've had
You've got
half
acid in these?
we've had half a box of Heineken.
He's just cleaning himself now.
Oh no! Don't do that on me, and don't poo on me. But just please, I know you pooed out there.
He's already. He'll be alright. He's empty.
Good. What do you eat? Do you want something?
No, I'm not. How are we
Oh,
getting it?
you know what? I reckon they eat nuts.
I'm not
We've got that mix downstairs.
Going down there. I
Now,
have to go
get him some trail mix.
past. Bro, he's going to attack me.
He
bro.
what? Get him some trail mix. He'll love that. He's hungry.
I want to get it for him, but. Do you want some food?
Look at you, beat.
You know what food
Check you out. You're like, you're cool. I do like you.
What's your name?
What's your name? What's your name?
Harry. Harry.
Harry.
Harry the parrot.
What's wrong, Harry? What's wrong? Hello.
Oh,
Hello. What's wrong, Harry?
Well, I'm a long way from home right now, aren't I?
Mate, you cannot be further away from home if you tried right now. I've been here.
Definitely sinking in, I think.
I think this is kind of like the wake-up call. So, you land this morning from England, and then I've now got a parrot on my shoulder.
You've never seen this parrot before? Really?
Never seen this parrot before.
There's a
Ever.
parrot on your shoulder. Really.
This is my new mate, okay?
Stand up. See if he just stands up.
I dare.
And then I'll go get the mix.
Mate,
Just get up really slowly.
I mean, look, so he went from
Get
there,
up really
he went from there
slowly.
onto my shoulder,
Yeah.
like,
Get up really slowly.
I dare it, man.
Keep
Like,
him. Just
what do
get
you...
up. He ain't going to do nothing, man. I
Keep him.
promise.
I'd like to keep him. He's pretty cool.
We've got a parrot now. Sweet.
I mean, he obviously talks. Hello.
Hello, mate.
Hello, mate. He's not...
He likes us, like.
He was only chatty, though, when he was up there. Now he's not talking.
Yeah, it's scaring me a bit. It's like, is he pissed off or is he...
Well, I don't know. That's what I don't know about him. Maybe he's a little bit
That
unsure.
beak is fucking vicious, mate. I
Oh.
want that thing...
Try having it like half an inch away from your eyeball.
Well, I'm leaning this way. Look.
Mate, this is mental.
Stand up.
I dare it, man.
Now stand up.
I dare it, stand
I'll have
up.
your pussy.
Hello. What's your name?
This has got to be good luck. This has got to be a good omen, isn't it?
I don't think this has ever happened before in history. This is something new.
I'm not sure.
I mean, you sat out here on your balcony trying to enjoy the sunset, and then next minute you've got a parrot
Making friends with you.
that lands on your shoulder and starts saying hello to you.
Well, I think the rule is if a parrot sits on your shoulder for more than 10 minutes, he's yours. So
Well, I think we're probably
That's the rule.
a good 10 minutes in right now.
this could get awkward, Bob.
Hello. Oh,
He's having a little...
he's having like a little bit of a. Oh no! Have you seen his claws, Rory? He's got feathers coming off
They
him.
look pretty fucking mean.
What are you doing? What's the deal with?
He's
Oh.
really chilled out, mate, because he's just having a clean there.
Yeah.
He wouldn't be cleaning if
He's
he
pretty
was-
cool. Do you reckon you should try and like stroke him?
Yeah, go for it, Bob. I think you should, yeah. And stand up. I'll go get some mix.
See, you gotta be calm. Like he'd probably feel as if I
If you
get.
get up all comfortable, like casual, you'll be fine, Bob. I know this. I know parrots. I'm an expert on parrots.
You're not a parrot expert at all. You're
I know
about
my shit.
you're about as much of a parrot expert as I am.
I've studied a lot about parrots. If you get up really...
Oh my god! Check yourself out.
Feathers are up.
Yeah,
again.
it is.
I don't think that's a good sign when their feathers go up. I think that means there's threatened.
Really? Nah,
Yeah, when they
he's
go
cool.
up like a cat.
He's cool. What about on my hand? You want to come on my hand? Come on. What about up here?
Where's this thing come from, bro?
I don't know, man. Oh, he's having a scrap now.
just taking this.
Mate, this...
Like a trooper.
Mate, this...
Doing really well, man.
Mate,
He's looking over there now.
what are you saying? Where's your owner? Who is your owner?
He's got a tag on, is he?
Yeah, he's got a ring on.